Cluster B, fan fiction. I read Robert Torbay on narcissism. The question is, will a narcissist go back, hoover, to a great supply they discarded when they realize that they can't control it? Robert says, poor you. I can hear your confusion, your longing, your desire to abase yourself. You don't seem to realize how narcs are wired, like slot machines. They are wired so you lose. The house always wins. Watch the colored lights, insert the pieces of your soul. Do your rituals to appease the gods of fortune. Mash their buttons. You will walk away with less than you started with, each and every time. How else could they maintain their grandiosity, their mighty and terrible self-image, if they gave as good as they got? In brackets, neurotypical. Or worse, in brackets, if they gave more than they got, empaths. Narcissists by nature are takers, but they realized to take a lot, you first must give a little. Gouging straight off the bat sees you soon run out of town. Every interaction with a narcissist is structured this way. Every. From simple conversations with people who seem nice, but leave you feeling sad, empty, to an entire pretend marriage with children, etc., ending in drinking yourself to death. Now, back to the question, which is really a plea for the narc to come back and abuse you some more. If you are not willing to play the take a little, give a lot game with a narcissist, they will not come back. They're not a philanthropist. Robert. Question. What did you give? What did you get? Reflect.